So, sixth chapter PHP conditional statement. So, PHP conditional statement is a logical or test condition. So, here we are using it evaluates the expression and get the results either true or false. So, this is based on these results you can perform the certain actions. What are the different types of PHP conditional statement means? If statement, if else statement, if else statement, and then switch statement. First one, if statement. In if statement, it executes a statement or a group of statements. If a condition is satisfied, then the true session will be executed. Okay, so if here you have to check the condition. If the condition is true, then it will execute this statement. So next one, see the example. So each and every variable, before you can use the $sign. So $sign pass mark equal to 35, $sign student mark 70. If student mark is 70 is greater than or equal to pass mark is 35. Check 70 is greater than or equal to 35. Condition is true. So then execute the student is eligible for the promotion. So that is your output. So next one, if else state PHP. If statement evaluates a condition and executes a set of code. If the condition is true, and another set of code if the condition is false. If condition statement is true, if condition is false, the statement is false. Pass mark is 35, student mark is 70. Check if the 70 is greater than or equal to 35. If the condition is true, the statement is eligible for the promotion. Okay. By chance, if the condition is false, for example, student mark is 25, pass mark is 35. Sometime the condition is false, it will execute this statement. The student is not eligible for the promotion. So this is true statement, this is false statement. So next one is else if statement. If else if else statement. So in this statement is a combination of if else statement. Here we use multiple conditional checking. Based on that action, you can get the result. So if condition 1, if that condition is true, then it will execute this statement. Otherwise, it will jump on this statement and then check this condition. If this condition is true, then it will execute this statement. Otherwise, again it will jump on this session and display this message. See the example program. Student pass mark 35, first class 60, student mark 70. Check student mark 70 is greater than or equal to first class 60. Yes, 70 is greater than 60. So the statement student is eligible for the promotion with first class, that is output. So else if student mark 70 greater than or equal to pass mark 35. Okay, if the condition is false, then it will come and check here and then this statement is executed. Otherwise, this also false, then last final statement, the student is not eligible for promotion, this statement is executed. If the condition true, this statement. Otherwise, it will check on second condition. If the condition is true, then it will execute this statement. No, this is also false, then it will come out from this else part and then display this statement. Okay, so next one is switch case. So this is alternative for if else statement. See here, switch of n. Instead of if statement, here we use case label statement break. Case label statement break, like that. In the final, instead of else, here we can use default statement. Okay, see the example. PHP, favorite color red. See here favorite color. If your color is red, it will show this your favorite color is red. Otherwise break this statement, again check it this one blue, again check it green. So like that each and every color it will check it. These three, all the above is not, this is different color means it will come out for else, that is default statement. Else your favorite color is neither red, blue nor green. ஸோ இது மூணுமே இல்லை அப்படின்ற மாதிரி சொல்லும். ஓகேவா? திஸ் இஸ் தி switch case statement. ஸோ யுவர் 6th chapter is over.